Hey Edison, today we're going to do a bunch of stuff. So we're going to start with a G major scale, and you might say, Miss Mira, why do we always play G major scale? And the reason is because all of our songs right now that we're learning are in the key of G. That means our home note is G. So you notice in Etude, who can tell me what the last note of Etude is? It's our G string, right? G, that's our home note for Etude. And who can tell me what the last note of Minuet 1 is? If you guessed G, you're exactly right. Listen. This is our G on the D string. 3 fingers on D string is G. So our home note for Minuet 1 is also G. And guess what? Minuet 2, home note is also G. So we are playing lots of songs in the key of G right now. So that's why we keep playing G major scale over and over. So let's start with G major scale. I want you to do whole notes first. Whole notes look like an O, right? Whole note. Whole note has 4 counts. So I want you to think about making a really beautiful sound. No scratches or screeches. So your bow is exactly parallel to your bridge. It's not going this way or this way, because then you might go off of your highway, your bow highway. Your bow highway is right between your bridge and your fingerboard. That's where you want your bow to go all the time. So, G major scale, whole notes, 4 counts per bow. So nice slow bows. 1, 2, ready, go. So you could see probably that my eyes were watching my bow most of the time. I checked the camera to make sure it was still going, but I was watching my bow to make sure that it wasn't gonna go off of my highway, my bow highway, right in the middle here, between my fingerboard, black fingerboard, and bridge. Okay, let's do a faster one. Let's do half notes. Half note has a hollow center and a stem, so whole note has no stem. Half note has a hollow center and a stem. Half notes are worth how many beats? 2 beats. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2. Nice. Okay, ready for quarter notes? Quarter notes are colored in and they have a stem. So half note has a hollow center. Quarter notes are colored in and they have a stem. Whole note, half note, quarter note. We've done these in class, but it's been a long time. Whole note, half note, quarter note. So you can do these with your hands. You can make all these notes with your hands. Quarter note is colored in and has a stem, a long stick sticking up on the side. Quarter note is worth how many beats? I bet Jane knows because she also takes piano. 1 beat. Only 1 beat is a quarter note. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 1, 1. How did that go? Let's do quarter note one more time. 1, 2, ready, go. I want to do some note reading in this time because it's a good time to work on learning how to recognize different notes and learning how to read them on our musical staff. So I'm going to put some sheets for note reading up on homeroom, and then I was wondering if you could play them for me in your weekly lesson. Just so that I can hear if you are understanding the note reading or not, and then we can work on it together. So I'll put just 1 line of music. It'll be really easy at first, and then we'll get harder and harder and harder as you get more and more comfortable reading notes, because part of playing music that's really cool is being able to everyone look at the same piece of paper with notes on it and be able to play it all together, like in an orchestra. So we'll get to do some of that in this time. Okay, so we did whole notes, half notes, and quarter notes. There's other kinds of notes. We have eighth notes. Eighth notes are faster. We even have 16th notes. Those are even faster, but you can't make those with your hands. So we'll stick to those 3 right now. Whole note, half note, quarter note. Okay, let's do some Etude. We didn't do this last time. Etude. I don't want you guys to forget Etude. It's a tricky song. Let's do it. Etude. If you need to look at your paper for this one, because we haven't played it in a while, you can. But when we do it the second time, try not to look. All right, here's the first one. Here's your introduction. Nice. I like that song. That's a fun one. All right. So Etude. Etude. Every note is staccato. Staccato is a fancy Italian word for separated. So you can hear my bow is not smooth. It stops in between each note. It's not smooth. If I did smooth, that would be a different song. So Etude is staccato. Staccato. Even the word sounds kind of separated. Staccato. And it means that we have to stop our bow between each note. 1 second, I have to let my dog out. All right, so we we have staccato notes in Etude. In Etude. If you remember the song Allegro, we use staccato and legato in Allegro. What do you think this part is? Staccato or legato? If you said staccato, you're right. Okay, the second line is the same. Staccato or legato? Staccato again, yeah, same thing. But the third line, staccato or legato? That one is legato. It's smooth and it's not separated. And then the last line is the same as the first two. So it is also staccato. Staccato. So if you think of allegro, it has two parts. One is staccato and the other is legato. Etude is all the same. It's all staccato. So let's do Etude one more time. Try not to look at your paper, and let's do it all staccato. 1, 2, ready, go. Let's do doubles now. Doubles, they don't have to be staccato because we're going so fast with our bow, it would be a lot of work to do staccato. So we can just do regular bowing for the doubles. Doubles for Etude. Here's your introduction. Short bows, ready, go. To hover our bow because we just played an awesome song and we want it to hold the moment until we relax and play the next one. Very good. Okay, so we worked on staccato and legato today. We mostly worked on staccato. And if you want to, you can review Allegro and see if you can hear the difference between your staccato parts. Head, head, ears, ears, shoulders, shoulders, nose, nose, and the legato part. Lightly swaying, lightly swaying. So try that on your own. Okay, we're gonna do Minuet 1, just a playthrough of Minuet 1, because I really want to work on Minuet 2. Here's Minuet 1. Here's the introduction. can practice that one some more different day. But I really want to learn the fourth line of Minuet 2, because if we learn the fourth line of Minuet 2, we've learned about half the song. And it's a good stopping point for our learning. Okay, I put this page up on homeroom with all the notes if you want to look at it, but we will work on it today and learn it today. I saw a beautiful video that Anu posted of the second line. She did the first line and the second line twice in a row, which is awesome. So I want to work a little bit on the second line and then definitely on the fourth line. Sorry, my fingers are in the way. Because the first line we've worked on quite a bit. So the first line is the and there's a couple old videos that are short that you can go back to if you are still having trouble with that line. But we'll get a lot of practice in it today. So, but I want to do just the second line first. That starts on the E string. My mom makes them, my dad makes them. That's the line I want to practice first. So it goes long, long, short, short, long, long, short, short, long, short, 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 really long. It starts on E string. E, E, E2, ready, set, go. One more time. Sorry, got something in my throat. E, E, E2, ready, set, go. Then 3, 3, 3, 2, ready, set, go. We're gonna do the same thing again. 3 on A, 3 on A. 3, 3, 3, 2, ready, set, go. So now let's do those first two little phrases together. So it'll sound like this. Ready? Bow on the E string. No fingers right now, but your second finger is going to jump down right away. 1, ready, go. Let's do that 2 more times. Ready, set, E string. I'm using an independent finger here on the A string. Do you see that? Only my third finger is on the A string. So here, I'll do it once with just my fingers. But you can play along. Ready, set, same thing. Because we don't need all 3 fingers on the A string. We only need our third finger. So we can start working on independent fingers now that we're in advanced violin. Okay, the next part. 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, A. So 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, A. You can stand up and do this with me. It's sort of like taking a step forward. 2, 3, 2, 1, 2. Step forward. 3, 2, step back. 1, 2. So we have to remember to go forward first, higher up on and add a finger. 2, 3, 2, 1, 2. I don't know if that helps you remember it. Some students of mine like that image of stepping forward and then stepping back. And you always come back to 2. So let's do just those 5 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 notes. 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, ready, set, go. Same thing, ready, go. Same thing, but we're gonna add our long A string afterwards. Ready, set, go. Let's do that one more time. Ready, set, go. Let's do the whole second line. Let me get my paper. Second line. E, 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 2, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, A. Do that whole line 3 times. 1, ready, go. This time we're going to do it in slow motion. 1, ready, go. Now we're going to do it a little faster. This is our last practice of line 2. E, ready, go. Guess what? Line 3 of this song, same as line 1. Let's play it together. Let's play line 1, 2, 3. Lines 1 and 3 are the same. They're the part that goes, I like peanut butter sandwiches. Ready? Line 1, ready, go. One more time. E string. First line again, go. Repeat. All right, so now we've made it to the 4th line. The 4th line. The 4th line has some sort of scales going down. So we go. Just some scales. We already know how to play a scale. We played 3 scales already today. So we go 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Don't forget that it's low 2s because we're in G major. Let's do 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. We're just picking up our fingers one at a time. 1, ready, 4th finger. We do want to use 4th finger in this because E string kind of sticks out. 4th finger sounds really nice. Make sure it's right on your tape. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 1. 4th finger, go. Nice. One last time. 4th finger on the tape. Ready, go. Okay, then we do a little scale with our starting on our 3rd finger. So listen. 3. So we have to end 3 on the D string. So 3, 2, 1, 0, 3 on the D string. Let's do just that one, starting on 3rd finger. Our scale starting on 3rd finger, going down. 3, 2, 1, 0, 3, 3rd finger, ready, go. Same thing 2 more times. 3rd finger on A string, ready, play. 3rd finger on A string, ready, go. Let's do the 2 scales. First is 4th finger going down, then 3rd finger going down. So here we go, get your 4th finger ready. 1, ready, play. 3rd finger. Make sense? Just 2 scales. We actually are really good at scales, so this should not be too hard for you. Let's do it one more time. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 3, 2, 1, 0, 3, 1. Ready, go. Okay, next is something we actually practiced in class. Back when I saw you guys face to face. We practiced this in class. It was 0, 1, 2, chocolate, all in one bow. So practice that 3 times on your own right now. Let's add that on to our 2 scales. So starting 4th finger, 1, ready, go. 3rd finger, chocolate. One more time, ready, go. We were doing those as a triplet. Remember, they are 3 notes fit into 1 beat and 1 bow. 1 beat, 1 bow, 3 notes. Okay, we only have 3 more notes, speaking of 3 notes, left in this line. And they are half, half. So start on towards the tip of your bow on the D string, and we're gonna go 0, 2, half, half. Let's do that again. Start at the tip of the bow, go half, half. One more time, start at the tip, half, half, ready, go. And then a long 3rd finger. So after our is our half, half. Let's just practice chocolate cake is nice. That's my words for it. So make sure you're doing your half, half, 0, 2 on the D string. From chocolate cake is nice, ready, go. So on the A string, 1, ready, go. So now we just add our 2 scales before that. And we'll get more and more practice on this line. So don't worry if you don't get it right away. You can always come back to this video, or I can make some small videos that you can just repeat these different lines so that you feel like a master of each line. So our scales down, starting 4th finger on A string, scale down, picking up your fingers. 1, ready, play. Let's do it 2 more times. 4th finger on A string, scaling down, ready, go. Last one, and then go do something fun with your family. 4th finger on A string, ready, go. I had a noisy A there at the end. Shout out to Richard for sending me a video of him playing the butterfly song. I'm gonna put some more of that song on because both Anu and Richard sent me videos of that, so they sound really good. We should learn the rest of it. I hope you guys are having a healthy and fun time at home, and I will see some of you this week for some virtual lessons. Hopefully I see everyone. All right, take care, bye.